Do you know the real secret to winning a woman's heart? It's not about having good looks, wealth, or even intelligence. Forget what society has told you about attracting women through gifts, compliments, or trying to be someone you're not. The real key lies in mastering one thing, yourself. Here's the truth. Many men miss this. They think relationships are about pleasing and impressing. But if you want a woman to truly be drawn to you, it's about who you are at your core, not the show you put on. This is why so many men fail. They focus on trying to be what they think women want, but what they're missing is self-control, confidence, and a calm that can't be shaken. So, how do you get there? By embracing a mindset that's been around for thousands of years. Stoicism. Stoicism isn't about denying emotions or becoming distant. It's about understanding and managing your emotions. When you stop reacting to everything and can remain steady, no matter the situation, that's when you start to stand out. Women don't look for the loudest or most showy man in the room. They notice the one who's secure, grounded, and unfazed. Imagine this. You're on a date, and while other guys might be trying hard to impress her, you're simply present. You're not trying to win her approval. You're relaxed, confident, and there to enjoy her company, not to prove anything. This presence makes you memorable. It's not about playing games or chasing. It's about inviting her to get closer by showing her your depth and your calm confidence. Here's a little-known fact. Women don't want to be chased. They're drawn to men who aren't desperate for validation. When you stop running after her approval, she becomes curious. Intrigued by the strength and steadiness you embody, you're showing her what 99% of men overlook: self-mastery and genuine self-respect. Now, let's dive deeper. Mastering your actions and words is essential, but only if they're backed by intention and self-assurance. For example, when you're speaking with her, use her name thoughtfully. Show her genuine compliments, focusing not just on her looks, but on her mind and passions. Women aren't impressed by shallow words. They're moved by feeling truly seen and appreciated. And small actions? They matter even more than words. Show that you're present through the little things, remembering details she shared with you, following up, and showing gratitude for the little things she does. Actions like these don't just say, "I care." They communicate respect and depth. It's time to talk body language. Calm confidence is in how you carry yourself. Don't fidget or avoid eye contact. Stand with intention, hold your gaze just right, and move deliberately. This nonverbal confidence is magnetic because it's rare. And when things don't go as planned, don't panic. If the date goes awkwardly or if she seems distant, let it be. Trying to fix or overreacting only shows insecurity. Instead, stay steady and relaxed, knowing that if she's the right person, things will naturally come together. Here's a lesson that's hard to accept. When she pulls away, don't chase. Giving her space can be exactly what shifts the dynamic, allowing her to see your strength and self-sufficiency. Chasing or overthinking her actions only drives her further away, while holding your own gives her the room to appreciate you for who you are, not for what you're willing to do to keep her around. In the end, everything starts with you. It's not about adopting some dating strategy. It's about becoming a man who's true to himself and unshaken by the expectations of others. When you live with purpose and authenticity, you naturally attract the right people without even trying. This approach goes beyond dating. It transforms your career, relationships, and entire outlook. So, if you're ready to master yourself and create the kind of life and connections you truly deserve, let's dive in and get started. Stop playing the game and instead become the man who commands attention simply by being true to himself. With this mindset, everything changes. If you're ready to take control, subscribe now and let's make this journey together.